All right, let's make us start with IELTS speaking part one, and I'll ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Okay, let's make us start with you. Does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, my name is Jafraza, and its name is the meaning of my name is river, and it is a Muslim name.
Okay, all right. How would you choose names for your next generation?
I would prefer to choose names through Google and through a different type of name dictionaries and from our parents. Ask from our parents
I will
for
ask my parents
parents,
the names for my children and
children's.
all that.
Yes.
Okay, let's go on. Does anyone in your family have the same name as you have?
Yes, my cousin, first cousin, has the same name as I have. So it's my uncle's son.
He's my uncle's
Uncle's son.
son and he's my namesake. Namesake
Namesake.
is someone who's got the same name,
Okay.
right? And your answers are short. Try to elaborate further. It'll be better. Now, let's go on. Do people change their names in your country?
No, as not so much, but it's a rare chance for anyone to change their name because when people choose the name, they have a very lot of thinking on it, and after that they choose the name of us.
Okay, so in my country, people usually don't change their names. Instead, they like their names.
Okay.
Okay, something like that.
Yes.
So add on something and understand the question and answer accordingly,
Okay.
right? Now let's go on. What is your favorite time of the day? Morning, evening, afternoon, or night?
Well, my favorite time of the day is the morning because I wake up early in the morning and offer the prayer because at that time the blessings of Allah Almighty falls
Yeah, the blessings of Allah Almighty shine upon me.
shine upon me. After that, I go for the walk, and
Okay, that's good. What do you usually do in the evening?
well, in the evening I came back to the home.
I go back home.
I go back home and do the pending works of the home, like to bring food or any other things, or
Okay.
to do any other extracurricular
All
activities.
right, that's good. When do you spend time with your family members?
Well, I spend more. I spend my free time with my family usually on weekends when we all get together at the weekend because everyone have holiday from colleges or offices, so that's is the time that's the time when we
When we get together, we sit together, we eat together, and all that. Overall, good. Minor grammatical mistakes, and secondly, try to brush up your English pronunciation. Whenever you are doing IELTS listening, the way they speak, try to copy their accent. Do listening with headphones. It is going to improve your listening skill. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.